Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video is about our scraper selection. Vikan's wide selection will cover any scraping tasks you may need to do. They are all hygienically designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harbourage points for microorganisms and allergens. As with all of the tools in Vikan's hygiene range, our scrapers are made from food contact compliant materials. Let's have a look at the Vikan hand scraper range. They are all designed for cleaning small spaces and rounded equipment. First is the polypropylene hand scraper. It is ideal for loosening stubborn debris, including pastry dough, chocolate, and burnt food. The polypropylene material reduces the risk of scratching sensitive surfaces. It comes in 2 sizes, and both are available in metal detectable material. Next is the nylon hand scraper. It is suitable for loosening stubborn debris like pastry dough, chocolate, or burnt-on food on smooth surfaces. The nylon blade is a good alternative to a stainless steel blade and can be used on sensitive surfaces to avoid scratches on equipment and conveyor belts. The hard blade can withstand hot surfaces when used at intervals of a maximum of 2 minutes at a time. That leads us to the Vikan stainless steel hand scraper. It is available in 2 sizes and is ideal for removing sticky deposits that would clog a brush and for dealing with dried or burnt-on foods and ingredients. This hand scraper features a stainless flex steel blade, a high-strength attachment, and a special ergonomic finger rest. The last hand scraper is the Vikan flexible hand scraper. With a 3-sided scraping edge, this flexible hand scraper is perfect for cleaning workbenches and conveyor belts, as well as emptying containers and buckets. This product is also available in a metal detectable version. New to this range is the Vikan dough cutter scraper. With a stainless steel blade and a polypropylene handle with an ergonomic finger rest, it can cut and handle dough, remove sticky messes that would clog a brush, and deal with burnt-on foods on tables and cutting boards. Next, we will have a look at Vikan's handle-mounted scrapers. All of these scrapers have threading and can be attached to any Vikan handle to effectively clean hard-to-reach areas. This is the Vikan nylon scraper with threaded handle. It is similar to the nylon hand scraper, but fits Vikan's handles, making it ideal to clean equipment in areas that are difficult to reach. The same goes for the stainless steel scraper with threaded handle. It comes in the same 2 sizes and has the same features as the stainless steel hand scrapers, but the threaded neck allows for the use of a handle. This stainless steel scraper with threaded handles is ideal for table and floor cleaning. This one is great for removing stubborn food debris from floors and other surfaces. It features a stainless steel blade and can be used with any Vikan handle. This version has a flexible steel blade, which is ideal for cleaning surfaces where extra force is needed to loosen soils. This scraper has round edges and a flexible steel blade to protect surfaces from scratching. It can be used with any Vikan handle. Next, we have paddle scraper blades. These are ideal for scraping the remaining foodstuff out of containers before the cleaning procedure can begin. These paddle scrapers are available in a flexible and non-flexible version. Both are designed with a thin, sharp edge to facilitate efficient cleaning and emptying of large or medium-sized food containers. It is not suitable for loosening stubborn or dried-on debris, or for use on abrasive surfaces, or for impacting against hard objects. This is the Vikan table and floor scraper. It is ideal for removing stubborn food debris from floors and stainless steel surfaces and equipment. This flexible nylon scraper can be used with any Vikan handle. The last scraper is the Vikan push-pull hoe. It is a 2-in-1 function food hoe that makes it easy to move, spread, mix, or remove ingredients. It features separate optimized edges and a rugged, hygienic design. It also works with all Vikan threaded handles. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan scrapers. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.